Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is Vodafone Recruitment 2020 Freshers for Operation Engineer BE BTech MCA. Before moving on to the details of Vodafone Recruitment 2020, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Watch the video till end because if not, then you may have problems in registering for Vodafone recruitment. Moving on to Vodafone Recruitment 2020. So Vodafone is hiring fresher candidates from BE, BTech, MCA for the role of Operation Engineer, and the detailed eligibility criteria, selection process, and application links has been discussed in the website. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Vodafone Recruitment 2020 details. Job profile is Operation Engineer. Degree needed is BE BTech. Experience needed is freshers. Work location is across India. For eligibility criteria, we have BE BTech and freshers. Then comes the job description. So it focuses upon the provision of network operation, advice, and administration, and provides monitoring, operation, and management of efficient and effective network services, fulfilling the Vodafone strategies. Typically reports to network operations manager, and the network operations specialist has a good understanding of established concepts, procedures in monitoring network modes, executing event configuration, escalation, etc. Job responsibilities: advises and execute administrative activities, supports the team to deliver activities, conduct activities according to the highest level of operation, effectively interacts with colleagues, perform assigned tasks in line with process, deliver tasks related to customer service assurance, provide support to maintain solid relations, uses administrative experience to plan, schedule, implement, and test new services, supports and contributes to the consolidation or service assurance function for IT and networks, understanding the needs and contributes to ensure action and escalations, perform other job related duties or tasks defined by supervisor. Skills: network access technology, monitor and diagnose, mobile and network security, cloud, service and delivery management, automation and robotics. So how to apply? We have provided a link here. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website, which will be the official website for Vodafone recruitment. So you can see here also all the information regarding the job is provided. So you can also read it from here if you had any kind of queries. Now there is an option of apply now. Here you have to click on this apply now, and you will move to another web page where you will be directed for filling the form for Vodafone recruitment. So as you can see, they're asking you to log into your accounts if you have account on this website. So you can log in with your previous account details. If you are new here, then you have to click on create account and you have to create a new account. After that, you will be directed to the page where you have to provide information for the recruitment process. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details regarding job description, skills, and eligibility criteria. So if you have any queries, you can also refer to the website. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Link for Vodafone Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. So thank you.